Today we are going to reveal the secret of Avogadro's number. The number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 is called Avogadro's number and it is denoted by Na. And it was given by a scientist named Amido Avogadro. The most important concept in the chemistry is mole, and 1 mole of any substance contains same number of particles, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Or more precisely, we can define as any substance having 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of particles is called 1 mole. 1 mole of pure substance have 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of atoms. For example, 1 mole of pure carbon have 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of atoms. And 1 mole of covalent compound have 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of molecules. For example, 1 mole of water have Avogadro's number of molecules. While 1 mole of ionic compound have 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of formula units. For example, 1 mole of sodium chloride have 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of formula units. This concept only depends on number of particles and not depend on the mass. For example, 1 mole of pure carbon with 12 gram weight have 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of atoms. Similarly, 1 mole of pure copper with 63.5 gram weight have 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of atoms. Similarly, 1 mole of water and 1 mole of sulfuric acid also have same number of molecules, which is equal to Avogadro's number. And how to calculate 1 mole? It is very easy concept. 1 mole of any substance is 1 only when the given mass and molar mass or atomic mass are equal. For example, 1 mole of carbon is equal to 12 gram over 12 atomic mass unit. So we can say that 1 mole of carbon is equal to 12 gram of carbon, which have 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of atoms. Similarly, 1 mole of water is equal to 18 gram over 18 atomic mass unit. It means that 1 mole of water have 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of molecules and 18 gram of weight. Do you want to calculate number of atoms in 1 mole of water? 1 molecule of water is equal to 3 atoms and Avogadro's number of molecules is equal to 3 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, which is equal to 1.8066 into 10 to the power 24. So we have 1.8066 into 10 to the power 24 atoms in 1 mole of water. Do you know that how many moles are present in 1 kg of water? Let's solve this. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Number of moles is equal to 1000 gram divided by 18 atomic mass unit will gives us 55.56 moles. So 1 kg of water have 55.56 moles of water. Do you know what is the difference between mass and molar mass? Molar mass or atomic mass is a fixed quantity that cannot be changed, while given mass is a variable quantity and can be taken according to need or requirement. For example, molar mass of water is 18 atomic mass unit, but given mass may be 1 gram or even 1000 gram, or for 1 mole it would be just 18 gram. Calculate 1 mole of sucrose C12H22O11. The molar mass of sugar is 342 atomic mass unit, and also calculate number of moles in 1000 grams of sucrose.